everybody. So today we're gonna go to the storage unit and we're gonna get our our dining chairs that we use outside on our balcony. They are white. We got them from they're from sqft, but we bought them secondhand when we bought them. And over the past few years, they've been outside on our balcony, so they've gotten a little dirty. And because they're white, it's harder to keep them clean. So we're gonna spray paint them. So we're on our way to go get them and spray paint them outside. And yeah, so come along with us and let's see what this journey takes us. Good morning, everybody. So today we are doing a little bit more on our balcony. So earlier, or I guess yesterday, we did the chairs, we painted the chairs, we had those plastic chairs, so we just wanted to make them a little bit nicer. They were white, they get dirty really easily, so we painted them black. And today we are going to be making a table for out here. To go across like as a bar table so that it doesn't take up a lot of space on our balcony and we can still sit out there nicely. So these are the products. This is what I have. I had to cut this piece down to 4 feet. The other 4 pieces that you see here are all 4 feet. This one here, you need 2 pieces of this. This is 8 inches by 4 feet, and then you need 2 pieces of the 12 inches by 4 feet. And what we're gonna do is the 8-inch ones are going to be the tabletop. We're going to screw in those hinges so that you can fold it up so it's like less space if you don't want the whole thing. And then the 2 12-inch pieces are going to be what hold, like support the thing over the railing. And then that 4-inch piece that's 4 feet on the top there is going to be the part that goes over top of the railing and sits down on it so that it holds the whole thing together over top of the railing. And then there won't be any legs or anything getting in the way on it. And these are all of the tools and everything that I need to get this done. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, if this piece is the back piece, this is going to act as like a ledge over top of the railing there. So if you were to put like a cup of coffee or something on here, it wouldn't fall over. And then the other piece on the bottom is gonna sit on this side and it's gonna go down to support this piece, but I think this can only go down about 2 or 3 inches for it to work properly. So something like that. And then the other piece here, let me just pull that out. So this is the back. This other piece here is just gonna sit, actually I'll do it this way, like this. And then this piece here is just gonna sit on it like this and be flush along the sides here, just like that. And then this piece here is going to sit on here and come out this way. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to figure out how far down this can go to make the table height the right height.